Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows 11 no audio output device is installed problem. First method is type Device Manager in Windows search bar, click Device Manager. Click and expand Sound, Video, and Game Controllers. Right Audio Device, click Update Driver. Click Browse My Computer for drivers. Select High Definition Audio Device, click Next. Close and restart system. Second method is type Device Manager in Windows search bar, click Device Manager. Click and expand Sound, Video, and Game Controllers. Right-click Audio Device, Uninstall Device, click Uninstall. Restart system. Third method is click Start, Settings, click Troubleshoot, click Other Troubleshooters. Click Run under playing audio. Fourth method is click Start, Settings, click Windows Update. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.